Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what is arguably the best running shoe in the New Balance lineup, the Dynasoft Nitrel V4. Whether you're hitting the trails or pounding the pavement, this shoe is designed to deliver performance and comfort in one sleek package. From the moment you slip on the Dynasoft Nitrel V4, you'll notice its lightweight build combined with a rugged aesthetic that promises durability. The upper is crafted from a blend of synthetic materials and engineered mesh, allowing your feet to breathe while maintaining resilience against the elements. This makes it an ideal choice for both on and off-road adventures. One of the standout features is the Dynasoft midsole cushioning. This innovative technology provides an ultra-responsive ride that absorbs impact without sacrificing energy return. What this means for you is a plush, comfortable feel underfoot that enhances your performance whether you're jogging, running, or even hiking on uneven terrain. Traction is another area where the Nitrel V4 shines. Equipped with the tread outsole, these shoes offer rugged, versatile grip. The tread pattern is engineered to handle different surfaces, giving you confidence on slippery or rocky trails as well as solid footing on roads. This adaptability makes it a great all-around shoe if you like to mix up your running routes or enjoy outdoor exploration. The shoe's design doesn't just focus on function. With dynamic color combinations and the classic New Balance branding, the Nitrel V4 looks as good as it performs. It's stylish enough to wear casually, making it a versatile addition to your wardrobe. In terms of construction, the shoe weighs just over 2 pounds and measures approximately 12.7 by 7.9 by 4.5 inches, striking a nice balance between stability and agility. The synthetic outer material and rubber sole provide durability without adding unnecessary bulk. Another plus is its wide size availability, catering to different foot shapes, which means more people can enjoy a comfortable fit. Plus, the shoe is imported, ensuring quality manufacturing standards. Whether you're training for your next race or just need a reliable pair of shoes for everyday wear, the New Balance Dynasoft Nitrel V4 delivers on multiple fronts. It's a shoe that supports your active lifestyle with cushioned comfort, dependable traction, and breathable materials. If you want a trail running shoe that can keep up with a variety of terrains and still look good doing it, this might just be the perfect pick. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the latest gear. See you next time.